Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, the Magnite and your Android phone. Once done, plug the high-quality USB cable into the car's USB port and your phone, then unlock the phone. This lets Android Auto initialize. Make sure the car is in accessory or on mode so the head unit powers up. You will see an Android Auto prompt on screen. Allow permissions on your phone and accept the connection on the Magnite. This first step establishes the data link you need to proceed. Once authorized, the Magnite should display the Android Auto home screen. If not, select Android Auto from the head unit menu. You need to authorize apps and set Android Auto as the default handler for navigation and media. This reduces future prompts. Make sure Google Assistant access is enabled so you can use voice commands while driving. If the phone asks to update Google Play services or Android Auto, install those updates now. Outdated services often block full functionality and cause intermittent disconnects. To finish, personalize the app layout and shortcuts in Android Auto so frequently used functions are one touch away. This improves safety and convenience. Practice basic voice commands, navigate, call, play music, so you rely less on touch while driving. If Android Auto fails to connect or drops audio, try a different data-capable USB cable, restart your phone and the Magnite's head unit, and clear the Android Auto app cache. These steps fix most common issues quickly. If that fails, check for firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.